So, you want to figure out how to build a portal in a game you call DTI Mobile. I got you. Many cool mobile games are enjoyed by players in the USA, each with unique ways to build things. Finding specific portal building instructions for a game named DTI Mobile can be tricky if it's very new or has a different common name. Generally, in mobile adventure or building games, creating a portal often involves a few common steps. First, check if the game has an in-game tutorial or guide section, as this is often the best source for how to progress or build key items. You might need to gather specific resources or materials from the game world. Look for a crafting menu or a special building interface. Sometimes portals require a specific pattern of blocks or items to be placed in a certain shape or location. Make sure your game is updated to the latest version, as new features like portals can be added in updates. If there is an online community for DTI Mobile, like a forum or social media page, other players there might have the answers. And that's it!